Sharing a little spa driveway. And so one quarter yard next. Children quarter yard next. Mushi pesa. Mushi blessing me. And now let's go. And mushi lunch la pera. Lunch in the so right now we are going to spa. Airport ma right now Thailand airport and Yankee my stay it was fun. It was very short yet it was funny. Yankee they go coffee while traveling and white color gari
cab expensive
because the distance is very short so like it's better to travel in public transport because we are saving the environment also and we are budgeting also. At the airport, I subscribers I
don't know.
Subscriber.
Please subscribe to YouTube channel, like share.
Yaki is my niece actually. She's Joishi's daughter. That's why she looks like Joishi. Actually looks like me as well. They're not cousins,
They're not cousins. They're auntie.
Check-in chaso. Oh my god, the SpiceJet thing you are nothing in Bangalore live in the problem chaso. Kilo yam I just share that into all nothing here that the thing tango is I swear to God not the SpiceJet is another. Oh my god, SpiceJet. My god, the frustration is guys, next time airline to I think you should prefer Indigo. SpiceJet problem is. Excuse me. Fine, worst experience that's when airline thing not once, not twice, not once, but twice I'm having the worst experience in SpiceJet. Check-in chidurang because Indigo check-in kilo chikni they'll adjust SpiceJet dito oh my god you drama so check-in pura chaso ani tadanda didi drama yung jing the dimag kharap. Airport so it's all this love in here. It's all this love. I think it's all about love. To get the title vegetarian. The airport giving to receipt usually not giving to receipt the prefer version corner or prefer share the nature kilo 0.9 should be there. And this is nice SpiceJet matter SpiceJet so yeah, that's why and I'll see you guys when I reach down. I'm eating Skittles right now. We're celebrating Prince Nam's birthday at Busan. Busan la and Korean color yakure, so we're celebrating it. And Longri surprised the birthday girl with a small cake. Hey, birthday girl is looking so pretty. Our food is here. And wow, we have so much to talk. Why are you so excited today? You looks.
We have only plum, green grapes, green
So it was interesting to understand how
It's almost 2 now.
because
I
I
mean,
always get the way you're I always get the
I did a
faster.
lot of things after I
These
got
kind of
home. I
parameters
ate
always hit them
dinner.
faster. Because
I edited for my
because
Thrift page.
I don't
Oh,
know,
by the way, guys.
how important it is
Wait,
for
let
you
me
now
just
at this stage of your career.
volume 좀 당연히 I've started a Thrift page named Chung's Finds. And someone will support Chiroshi. Make sure you support my Thrift page. And the best thing about what we are trying to showcase in my Thrift page is we have a certain style, and we're trying to like explore that style in our page, and we want people to get that style with the best price and the best quality. We make sure, because we don't go at one market, we try to go to different markets and get that style of clothes and have the best quality, best condition also. So yeah, we're trying our best to make, mostly right now it's gonna be summer, so make your summer more colorful. Like we are trying to showcase more color, and I hope you guys support me. And right now I'm watching Shahid Kapoor's podcast. I've watched Alia Bhatt's podcast while editing and all, and now I'm watching Shahid Kapoor's podcast. It's almost 2:30 now. I really need to sleep. Yesterday also I slept very late. I was overthinking a lot. Yesterday was a horrible night. So today I don't wanna overthink. My night have been going very well. My evening has been going as I've planned, since I've done a lot of things. It's making me feel so relaxed right now, and so yeah, I'm gonna continue vlogging tomorrow, and I'll show you guys. Good night. 준다. 준다 안 돼 너. So. Hadi gel lan ya da cute. Ama 예상가 되게. 아 머리.
thậm chí đến buổi chiều đến buổi làm để kiến thức đến buổi cảm nhận con dâu sung là chưa ba
Quan đàn hàng ngắt tí sợ.
làm số của chị sẽรับthậm chí tổ con dâu sung là nông hàng thì chỉ là con dâu sung là kiến thức chị con dâu sung kỳ chỉ làm chụp bài rồi chỉ là nhiều năng ngô
Chị lại nhiều làm ngủ.
làm là cái gì nào
So we're having thukpa right now. I came at Longri's place and Ani Kesang made thukpa, which looks very delicious. And yeah, here goes my first bite. Ani Kesang simple siu siu. Nang haji thua did it.
क्वालिटी मुस्लिम मसले लोगों को सनद उलेमाए हिंद और खानका रहमानी का साथ मिला मुस्लिमों की मुखालफत नहीं आरजेडी को मौका दी पूरी तरह से वैसे लोगों के साथ
sikna seviyorum.
ông kia chỉ để expressive rồi ra rồi chúng ta rồi cái đồ gì
Ama nga Andrew da shi.
पोस्टर लगाया गया है संजू कोहली जो
खाते तो
पोस्टर के थीम और इमारत की शरिया की
사하네 슈.
सेक्रेटरी मुफ्ती
아니 계산
날라오 슈직
공부 모두 슈나 대식다게. 아니 겨우게. 팔랑 그러 가르쳤어.